right, that's just our thread chaser kit here. You've got thread files, you got your various sizes, metric, fine, coarse thread. Sometimes what happens is you don't necessarily want to run a tap or a die over something because you don't want to cut new threads. This is actually a thread chaser, so it's just gonna clean the threads up. Say if you've got where your motorcycle wheels, where you're changing the disc or the sprocket on, and you use Loctite on brake disc bolts, rotor bolts. You use Loctite on sprocket bolts or pulley bolts, whatever. When you go to put them back in, you're going to reapply Loctite on the bolts. Well, you don't put new Loctite over top of old Loctite, so you'd want to clean them out. You know, or if you got a thread that's partially bunged up, use the thread chaser. Not necessarily tap and die. Nice kit. It's got the thread files on there, so if you got something that you don't have the size, you just pick out what thread pitch it is. It's written on the side of the file here. It tells you what thread pitch it is, and then you just use it like a file over the threads to clean it up with. Nice kit. I've had this one since, geez, probably '86 maybe. It's seen a lot of use.